Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick video with just a couple of updates about some things that are happening this month in October. First off is I'm hosting my very first class here in Shelby at Workshop Vintage Market. It is going to be a small class, and in it we are going to be making the wristlet clutch. So if you've been wanting to try out your hand with cork, or just take a class with me, or whatever, introduce your children into sewing, this class is open for ages 12 and up, and anybody is welcome to join. It's going to be a sewing kit class. So to join the class, you will be purchasing the kit with the exception that you bring your lining fabric. All of that information is available once you sign up. And then also, if you don't have a sewing machine, or you might be traveling, you don't want to bring your sewing machine, there are a couple machines available to use at the class as well. So just be sure to inquire about that at sign up if you need to use a machine. There is a link in the description box that's going to take you to Workshop's Facebook page. I will link you to the events where you can read everything and get all the info that you need. And then you just message or call Workshop directly to sign up, and we, just go from there. So the details are, it's the wristlet clutch. We'll be making it either out of black cork or natural cork. You provide your lining fabrics, I provide everything else. And it's on October 27th at 6 p.m. in Uptown Shelby at Workshop Vintage Market. So the second announcement that I wanted to make is, if you haven't noticed, here on YouTube, I've been kind of tailoring my channel to have one sew along per month. And this month we are going to do the Cami Crossbody Bag by Georgia Girl Stitches. This is a medium to large size tote crossbody that has two external slip pockets, which are my favorite. It has two internal slip pockets and then one internal zipper pocket. And it really lends itself to have a lot of variation. You could do a lot of color combos. Right now I'm really in love with this olive and golden slate waves with the Potter's Peach, and then with a turquoise zip. This is just my favorite right now. But some of the reasons that I really love this bag pattern is A, it's super beginner friendly, and B, it has this front pocket panel here, which, if you like to add prints onto your bags, but you don't want to use a ton of the prints, it's perfect for this bag, because you can just use a statement piece here on the front and then just do all accent colors on the rest. So Fabric Funhouse, as you may know, discontinued their prints, which is so sad. So I really try to hoard them and use them very sparingly, and this bag really lends itself to that. Let's see. As you can tell, I'm a little bit obsessed with making them right now, so I'm really excited to bring this giveaway to you. So Joy at Georgia Girl Stitches has graciously gifted us with 3 PDF copies of the Cami Crossbody Bag to give away. So again, description box below, there's a Rafflecopter link. In that Rafflecopter, there are several ways to enter the giveaway, and it's just simple things like following us on Instagram and joining our Facebook sewing groups. And it's going to be a quick turnaround. So from now and for 2 days, this giveaway will be live for you to win your copy of the Cami PDF Crossbody. And then you can join us along in the sew along. Join us in the sew along that will be launching within the next couple weeks here on YouTube. I think that's about it. I hope that y'all are doing well. I would really, really love to see some of you guys at my class on October 27th. And I really hope to see you participate in the sew along and go support Joy and all that. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.